Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix StarMaker recording problem. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix StarMaker recording problem, what you can do is first head over and open up your app store, then on the search bar type in StarMaker, and then look for an app icon like this on your search list, then tap on the app. Now here what you need to do is check for an app update. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But for some reason, if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is just simply head over to your settings. Then once you're inside your settings, scroll down, then tap on general. Now once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage. Now once you're inside your iPhone storage, what you need to do is here scroll down and look at StarMaker app and then tap on it. Now on tapping it, you'll find two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once that's done, all you gotta do is go back and then try again and issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful for you. Leave a like if you did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.